Good morning, students. In previous lecture, we studied how local time is selected with the help of prime meridian. And in today's lecture, we will study the standard time. Screen is showing world map with longitudinal lines. Each longitude has a time that is called local time. We know that places located on different meridians have different local times. It would create a lot of difficulties if all countries would adopt a different local time. The railway timetable and the schedule of air flights would be difficult to prepare. People crossing the longitude would have to adjust their watches. It is very difficult. And not only this, but some countries have a vast longitudinal extent. So they can't use many time in a country. That's why they select a meridian for time to follow in whole country. That time is called standard time, or we can say a uniform time for places in approximately the same longitude established in a country or region by law or custom is called standard time. For example, we take India's example. India lies between 68 degrees 7 minutes east to 97 degree 25 minute east longitudes. Think about the problems of the people of India would face if they follow the different local times. We need a standard meridian for India because there is a time lag of about 2 hours between Gujarat and Arunachal Pradesh. To avoid confusion of time in different states, India adopted a standard meridian which is 82 degree 30 minute east, and it passes through Mirzapur in Uttar Pradesh. In order to avoid the problems and maintain its uniformity all over a country, it was decided to adopt the local time of a central meridian, means the meridian which is situated in the mid of the country is used for standard time of India. As you are looking on the screen, Mirzapur's location situated in Uttar Pradesh is the Mirzapur is a location of office of Indian Standard Time. India, spanning roughly over 30-degree longitude, has selected 82 degree 30 minute east longitude as its standard time, and as you know, this is situated in the Mirzapur. Its local time is taken as the standard time, means the local time of this meridian is followed by the India as the standard time, means the time of this longitude is followed by whole country. Indian Standard Time is computed on the basis of 82.5 degrees east longitude from a clock tower in Mirzapur near Allahabad, as it near the corresponding longitude reference line. This is a Indian map with longitudinal and latitudinal directions. You can understand the location of India with the help of latitudes and longitudes. As we know, according to prime meridian or Greenwich Mean Time, means GMT, the countries which are situated in the eastern hemisphere, they add minutes according to their longitudes. and the countries which are situated in the Western Hemisphere, they reduce the time according to prime meridian. And our country, India, is situated in the Eastern Hemisphere. So, the Indian Standard Time, mean IST, is 5.5 hours plus from the prime meridian time, or we can say GMT time. Greenwich Mean Time or GMT time is followed by all countries for the international airlines and ship fleets. Now you can differentiate easily between the local time and the standard time. During ancient time, different rulers made different time measuring systems. For for example, we can take the Jantar Mantar at Delhi and Jantar Mantar at Jaipur. As you are looking on the screen, the 3D model of Jantar Mantar at Jaipur. Here are the real photographs of Jantar Mantar at Jaipur. You can see in ancient time, the technology was too much advanced for measuring time. I hope all the points are clear to you regarding standard time, local time and longitudes. Thank you and have a nice day.